Welcome, welcome. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Double tap on the screen. Double tap on the screen and share a live out. Hey, welcome. Hi. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Double tap on the screen, guys. Share the live out. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. You doing nothing? I'm just here, just thank you. Really appreciate it. Roy, welcome. Hello. Welcome, everyone. It's been a while. I haven't played any games. It's been a while. It's been a while. I haven't played any games. What type of games do you have in mind? Welcome, guys. Thumbs up the stream, guys. Thumbs up the stream as you enter. Share the live out. Guys, I extracted a tooth a few days ago, so if I sound weird or anything like that, still have a swelling. I can't remember the name of the game, that the last one that I was playing. Somebody showed me the game. It was one of those, like those fighting game. I don't remember it. I don't remember the name of it. Torment TV, welcome. Welcome, welcome. I don't remember the name of the game. Do you play Roblox? No, I haven't. But I've tried Fortnite. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be trying out some. I'm gonna be downloading some games that I can play on this, so I can practice because I don't like losing. That's my problem. So I'm gonna be practicing some games and then I'll do some there. Then I can come and play games with you guys. I can Sure. Do I have to have a controller? Because some of the button on this laptop not working properly. So what I have to do, I'm gonna take it to get it fixed. But you can message me on Instagram at Juliana Soul Vlog, and then we can take it from there. I'm not gonna remember it. I'm not gonna remember your name. But message me on Instagram at Juliana Soul Vlogs, and I'll definitely come and play games with you guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. You don't have Instagram? Download it. Create an Instagram account. It's very easy to do. It's very, very easy. Tallman TV. I've never tried Free Fire, but I heard persons play it. I watch persons play it, but I never tried it. I think I need to start playing some games. I need to start playing some games. The thing is, I don't like losing, so that's one of the main reason I don't go play games. I like to play mostly my Candy Crush, my Bubble Pop. Yeah. Double tap on the screen, guys. So like up the stream, share the live out. Welcome, welcome, guys. It's one of those fighting games, but I don't remember the name of it because somebody was playing it and they gave me a plate out of it on my phone. I was playing the game on my phone, but I would have to text and ask them the name of it. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the likes. I would have to text them and ask when my live stream finish. Can you add me? I'd have to download it on my phone. I would have to download it. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Kina. My name is familiar. Welcome, welcome. Double tap on the screen, guys. Share the live out. Don't make a try get one of them PlayStation. That make a save and buy. Make a save and buy one. Hey, that managa. My channel don't monetize. Channel not monetize. Working on watch hour. And YouTube pay by the views. This channel don't monetize, yeah? And that's one thing where people not tell nobody how much am I get paid on YouTube. This this channel that I'm on now is not monetized. But my next channel is monetized, and the pay part, I'm not gonna tell nobody how much me I make my YouTube. Crazy. Okay, no problem. Thank you for coming over. That's one thing that I have a next YouTube channel, Juliana Soul Vlogger. Bye. I don't tell people how much I get paid. Not even my besties. I don't tell nobody how much I get paid on YouTube. That's something that you don't disclose. Whatever you get, keep it yourself. So if it's $1 you're making, it's just $1. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Alright. Huh? I don't know how to send comment in the live stream like that. I'm using my phone to do a live stream. I'm not using a laptop. If I was using my laptop, I could send comment in. But hold on. Let's see if we can get my next channel. Hold on, guys. Right, YouTube, me right. So I'm gonna comment with my next channel. Okay, bye. Come here, hold on, me I go comment with my next channel, see? I'm a laptop, me that go for. No patience. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Double tap on the screen, guys, share the live out. So that's the name of my next channel, Juliana Soul Vlog. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. My internet giving up. So I'll definitely see you guys in the next live stream. Bye.